Welcome back. In the previous module, we learned how strength training works and why our bodies become stronger over time. Now it's time to answer an important question. How do I build my own workout program? Many beginners think they need a complicated training plan. The good news is that they don't. A simple, well-structured program is often the best way to get started. In this module, we'll learn the basic building blocks of every good workout program. When people first start strength training, they often try to do too much. They train every day, they copy advanced athletes, or they follow complicated workout plans they find online. But that's usually not a good idea. Your first workout program should be simple. It should be realistic. It should fit into your daily life. And most importantly, it should be something you enjoy doing. Remember, a simple plan that you follow every week is much better than a perfect plan that you stop after 2 weeks. One of the most common beginner questions is, how many times should I train each week? For most beginners, 2 or 3 strength training sessions per week are a great starting point. It's also important to have rest days between your workouts. Your muscles need time to recover and adapt. A schedule like Monday, Wednesday, and Friday works very well for many people. It gives you enough training while also giving your body enough time to recover. There are many different ways to organize a workout program. Today we'll look at 2 common approaches. The first is a full body program. In a full body workout, you train all the major muscle groups during every session. This is usually the best choice for beginners. The second approach is called a split program. Here, you train different muscle groups on different days. For example, you might train your legs on Monday and your upper body on Tuesday. Split programs are popular with more experienced lifters. For this course, we'll begin with a full body program because it's simple, effective, and easy to follow. Let's learn 2 important words you'll hear in every gym. The first word is repetition, or rep. 1 repetition means performing an exercise 1 complete time. For example, 1 squat is 1 repetition. The second word is set. A set is simply a group of repetitions. For beginners, a good starting point is 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions for most exercises. You'll hear these 2 words throughout the rest of the course, so it's important to understand them now. Many beginners think resting is wasting time. Actually, the opposite is true. Rest allows your muscles to recover before the next set. For most beginner exercises, resting for about 60 to 90 seconds works well. After more difficult exercises, you may need a little longer. During your rest, stay relaxed. Take a few deep breaths. Drink some water if you need to. Then get ready for your next set with good technique and full concentration. One of the best habits you can develop is keeping a workout journal. After every workout, write down the exercises you performed, the weight you used, the number of repetitions, the number of sets, and any notes about how the workout felt. This makes it much easier to see your progress over time. Remember this simple sentence: what gets measured gets improved. Now let's put everything together. Here is an example of a simple beginner training week. On Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, you perform a full body workout. The days in between are rest days. On Saturday, you could go for a walk or do some light stretching, and Sunday is another recovery day. This schedule is simple. It gives your body enough time to recover, and it helps you build a consistent routine. As you become more experienced, you can always adjust your training plan. You now know how to build a simple and effective beginner workout program. In the next module, we'll learn something even more important: how to perform exercises safely and with proper technique. Because before lifting heavier weights, we first need to learn how to move correctly. I'll see you in Module 3.